Integrating SonarQube with Azure DevOps enables teams to continuously monitor code quality, manage technical debt, and detect security vulnerabilities directly from the Azure DevOps environment. Here's how to set it up. Install SonarQube plugin in Azure DevOps. Navigate to Azure DevOps. Log into your Azure DevOps account and go to your project. Access extensions. Click on Project Settings Extensions. Search for SonarQube in the extension marketplace. Install SonarQube extension. Select the SonarQube extension and install it into your Azure DevOps project. Configure SonarQube service connection. Go to Project Settings. In Azure DevOps, navigate to Project Settings Service Connections. Add SonarQube Service Connection. Click New Service Connection and choose SonarQube as the connection type. Provide credentials. Enter your SonarQube server details to establish the connection. Set up SonarQube analysis. Configure pipeline. In your Azure DevOps pipeline, add the SonarQube tasks. SonarQube task. Add the task in the pipeline to perform a SonarQube analysis after building the code. View results in SonarQube. Monitor quality gate. After analysis, check SonarQube reports directly in Azure DevOps to review code quality, bugs, vulnerabilities, code smells, and maintainability. Actionable insights. Teams can address issues raised by SonarQube, improving code quality throughout the development lifecycle.